Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your LED TV model and firmware. This matters because menu layouts differ. Use the remote, press Home or Menu to open settings, then navigate to General or System. Once done, make sure the TV's audio track options are available. Some apps and USB files carry embedded tracks. If you plan to change language inside a streaming app, open that app now and go to its playback or audio/subtitle settings so you won't have to switch Now you navigate to audio, playback, or language options. The exact name varies, but you're looking for audio track or language. For local files, USB or disk, open the media player, pause playback, and select audio track to pick the language. For apps, open the player's audio or subtitle menu during playback. Once selected, press OK or Apply to switch. You do this because some systems don't auto-switch. Explicitly choosing the track ensures consistent audio for the rest of the movie. Finally, resume playback and listen through a few minutes to confirm the new language persists and stays synchronized. If the language option isn't listed, that means the file or app lacks alternate tracks or your firmware is outdated. Update the TV and app or try a different source. If audio is out of sync, restart the TV or app and test another HDMI or USB port. One key tip: if problems continue, switch to the original language, then reselect the target language to force a fresh audio track load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.